Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to demonstrate to you about how to use portable laser engraver. Portable laser engraver is mostly being utilized when you are having uneven surfaces or the surfaces are inclined at different angles or else different materials like leather, MDF, wood, veneer, cotton and many more. In today's exercise, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to engrave the Ayodhya temple onto MDF material. First of all, you need to install the app of a laser manufacturer. Then you need to connect the app with the laser with the help of Bluetooth. So for that you need to click here to connect the LP, and here I will be allowing Bluetooth to turn on. So here you can see that my Bluetooth is connected to the laser engraver. Now you can import the image by going to the album. Now I need to import either the image or a sketch. Based on my experience, I always prefer to have sketch rather than image. So using online AI tools, I already have converted the Ayodhya temple into the sketch. So go to album, select the sketch that you want to import the image. Now here you can see I see that I can little bit increase the intensity of the image. So I'll go to the bottom menu and I can turn the cursor towards right, and here you can see now I'm comfortable with the intensity of the lines. Then I need to click yes. Now here you can utilize crop, you can add text, you can erase certain part, or else you can save the bitmap image. Here I don't want to change anything as I wanted to go with the default option. Then go to the next. Here first of all I'll change the orientation of the image based on my recordings. So I'll go to this rotate option and rotate it 180 as my videography would be done based on this inclination and this orientation. The maximum dimension that I can specify is 100, so I'll be specifying 100 as a width. So based on the aspect ratio of the image, the height would be 82.86. Now go to next. You can here specify the name of a file. You can click here to check the preview. Now click on start preview. You would be able to see the bounding box. Let me just increase the intensity. So here in this bounding box, the entire Ayodhya temple is going to be displayed. So let me quit the preview as I'm comfortable with the bounding box size. Then I need to go to the next. Here I can change the different materials like leather, bamboo, wood, cork and many more materials. Then I can change the power intensity like this. I'll be specifying with the 65. Now depth that I can go with like this. Now depth I can select couple of options, so I'll going with the 55 percentage depth. Then click on start. Here you need to maintain 200 millimeter distance between the laser and the material on which you want to engrave. Then click on confirm to begin the laser engraving. I would recommend you to utilize the UV glasses in order to protect your eyes from the UV rays emitted by the laser. Okay, it will take around 25 to 30 minutes in order to complete the entire object. So I'll be fast forwarding the entire video from now to get it overview of the entire engravings, and at the end I'll be importing the image as well to see how it goes. So as you can see that the entire engraving has been done. If you have any questions related to engraving, related to how to convert the image into good quality sketch, or any of such parameter related issues of different materials, you can put your questions or queries into comment section. Keep engraving. Thank you so much.